Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your work days on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using ClickUp and you're starting to work with a team, and you want to go ahead and change your work days. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to ClickUp. Then on the upper right-hand corner, let's click on the profile icon name. Next, let's click on settings. And then from here, on the left-hand side, you want to go ahead and click on work schedule. So this is where you can tailor your workspace's work schedule to anticipate the impact of days off on your project planning. So as you can see, I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday highlighted. For the working hours, you can adjust the times. Or you can set custom working hours, but I do think this is a paid plan. Yeah, so you do need to upgrade for that. And then you could also set non-working days. So for here, you could actually add non-working days, such as public holidays or days off. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your work days on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.